guys, today I'm just gonna show you quickly the video modes of the Nikon Keymission 170. I've done some time lapse and I'm just gonna mainly show you the time lapse, superlapse features, and also night sky mode, which will give you a bit more of a nighttime time lapse feature. Alright, let's have a look. So what we need to do is firstly go into the settings, and then you need to go into the movie mode, and here you can see it's on NTSC, and then you go movie mode, and then you have all these time-lapse movie, loop recording, superlapse movie plus photo, add slow motion, standard movie. So if you want to do superlapse, this is where you need to go and set that to, I usually set it for 6, you can set it to 10, 15, however many you want. So that's the amount of photos it'll take, or the frames it'll take when the video is created. So I'll have set it up to 6 times, and I'll show you a couple of samples I've done with this.
Down for me, take a sip of paradise. Here below the lights, all the people looking up. Overhead a billion fires reflecting in my eyes. We got everything we need. I got you and you got me. We can dance until the lights fall down. I feel alive, I got forever in my eyes. This is all I need. Oh, I got everything when you're by my side. Another ultraviolet night. This is all I need. Oh, I got everything. All the stars, runaways we're looking up, chasing another sign. Oh, we do it right, soaking up the painted sky. Overhead a billion fires, reflecting in your eyes. We got everything we need. I got you and you got me. We can dance until the lights fall down. I feel alive, I got forever in my eyes. This is all I need. Oh, I got everything
In there, because I want to show you the next mode, which is time lapse. So time lapse, it'll give you night sky mode, then it'll give you 2, 5, 10 seconds, 30 seconds. So I haven't really used the 5 seconds, 30 seconds or 10 seconds modes with this yet, due to the time factor, but I have done a quick night sky mode shot. So have a look at the ones I've got on there. So that'll give you a bit of a sample of how it looks.
down for me. Take a sip of paradise. Here below the lights, all the people looking up. Overhead a billion